Hi, this is Mr. Capert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sketch of your truss bridge design. You'll need this to do a stress analysis in Inventor later. Just like with our puzzle, you'll want to go to File, New, Part. This project, we're going to be using centimeters. So you want to go to Tools, Document Settings, Units, and do a drop down for centimeters under length, and then hit OK. Go back to the 3D Model tab, start a 2D sketch, choose any plane that you'd like, and then you're going to roughly sketch out your truss using the line tool. I'm going to do my truss here. So you want to draw it approximate in length. Mine is 30 centimeters. So I'm going to get close to that. Notice I had to zoom out using my scroll wheel. Close enough to 30, and then it goes up by 9. So just get close. And then I'm going to touch this so that it lines up, and then close off my shape. I'm going to use the dimension tool to get this correct. So using a common reference point from left to right is 30 on mine. And then the height is 9. I'm then going to draw my other lines. I divided it into 4 segments, so I got 3 more lines. And I'm just going to put them approximately the correct spot. Alright, so now I'm going to use the dimension tool. And I'm going to use a common reference point from that left over each time. Mine's 7.5. And then 15. So notice the left edge over each time. That was my common reference. 22.5. Now I'm going to do my diagonals. Notice I did it this way so I don't even need to do any trigonometry to figure out the angles. I'll just go from point to point. And notice all of the lines are black. Black means they're all dimensioned. So I don't need to do anything else here. Could make that look a little nicer like that. So you're going to want to finish the sketch and then save this design. So go to File, Save. Make sure that you're in your H drive within PLTW, and I would create a bridge folder. If you don't know how to create these folders, remember you just do a right click, new folder. So now I need to, mine's pretty crazy here. Maybe I'll do that. New folder, bridge. And I would call this, let's see, my name. So give it a name that makes sense and has your name in it. Hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any additional questions.